Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is my project, and previous tutorial I have showed you this section, a header section, home, about us, classes, contact us, and blog. Today I will complete this body tag. So let's start our today's video. First, open my text editor, and this is my current HTML file, and this is my CSS file. So let us start. In end of date div, I need to div again. Div id will be body, and in body I will again create a div tag. Div id will be tagline, and in tag div tag close, and তারপর h2 ট্যাগ নেই। h2 ট্যাগের ভিতর yoga, so this yoga, so h2 tag close, and after I will write a p tag. In p tag I will copy all of them. This mean I'll not create আমি HTML কোডের মাধ্যমে এটা দেখাবো কিভাবে ওই চিহ্নটা আসে এমপি এটা লিখলে আমার ওই চিহ্নটা আসবে। Let me check. This is perfectly work my. So, and after that I will create a image tag. Image srcpd. This is my images file. And in images file have, let me check, let me check, yoga, lady, this one, rename, and close it and paste here. And ultra will be lady doing yoga. Classes class will be figure, and close. Let me check my picture is perfectly working. So let us start my CSS file, and body tag, background will be white, will be FFF, and margin, and create a margin tag will be 1 pixel, auto 0, and margin white, max white will be 880 pixel, 0 pixel, and mean height, সর্বনিম্ন হাইট কতটুকু হবে সেটা দেখাবো। Height will be 8 to 8 to 7. And overflow will be hidden. SIDD, sorry, DDEN. And padding will be 5 pixel, 40 pixel, and 46 pixel. Let me check. Oh, perfectly working my image, because this is a perfect good. Let me check my h2 tag. I will design my h2 tag. Body h2 tag. Color will be #21F51E. Let me check. Color will be not working. Oh, perfectly working my color. Font family will be regular, and font size will be 35 pixel. Oh, sorry, pixel. And font wide will be normal. Oh, and line height line height 30 pixel. I think 30 pixel is better. After that, margin 0, heading will be 0, 44 pixel. Let me check. Oh, perfect. This is my after that I will design body image image.figure figure. Display block float 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 is equal to right. Let me check. Oh, perfect. And margin will be 74 pixel and 30 pixel and 46 pixel and 0. Perfect. And max white will be max white 100%. Sorry, 100%. And white oh, perfect. Now I will design my tagline. Body div hash tagline. This tagline. So tagline will be float left and margin margin will be 110 pixel and 0025 pixel. 5 pixel max white 100%, max white will be 50. This is not my in tagline tag. It will be, or that is problem created, and save it here and let me check. Oh, perfectly working. So now max white, body, div, hashtag line is one, background will be URL, images slash let me check, busy slack spawn. This image will be rename and copy and paste it here. Color will be ash. You want to add a 51 E and font family will be font size 100 pixel and font weight normal and line height SEIG ST line height will be 100 pixel and margin 0, padding will be 0.055 pixel and text align center text transform uppercase. Let me check. Oh, what problem? Tagline div tagline body div tagline is one tag. The problem. Oh, sorry, not JSON tag. This is a S2 tag. S2 tag. Oh, Perfect. This is my previous project and this is my perfectly working because this is uh, now I will design my body tag. Body div hash tagline p color will be this one color. This one color and font family will be and font size 100 pixel and line height 100 pixel and padding will be 43 pixel 0 0 and text align. So let me check. This is not, this is, oh perfect, they work. This is my not working my image tag. Put the problem in here. I didn't understand why this problem. Oh sorry, not slash should. Oh perfect.